Hey there, did you just get a Canva template and you're wondering how do you get it into your own Canva account so you can customize it? Well, it's easy peasy. Let's get to it. It's simply one simple click. Yep, I said that, one simple click. You should have gotten an email that looks something like this from me, Inspired Creative Studio. All you have to do is click this link. Bada boom, bada bang. Here you are. Very explanatory. A template created by Inspired Creative Studio was shared with you. Start designing now. Canva makes it so easy. Couldn't make it simpler. You can either edit the template as is or just start a new design. Let's go for start a new design. Here we are. The thing you're going to notice is this is your account. You've put it into your account, your own account. And you can change the name. It comes in as copy of, but just go ahead, change that name and get to editing and modifying this so that it reflects your brand identity. Take care.